Imagine walking through the vibrant streets of Tirana, the aroma of sizzling meats and freshly baked bread filling the air. Albania, a hidden gem of the Balkans, offers a culinary journey that blends Mediterranean freshness, Ottoman influences, and age-old traditions. Every bite tells a story, a delicious tale of history and culture waiting to be explored. Albanian food is a delightful mix of flavors that reflect the country's diverse landscape. From the Adriatic and Ionian coastlines to the mountainous countryside, each region brings unique ingredients and cooking techniques to the table. The cuisine is heavily influenced by neighboring Greece, Italy, and Turkey, creating a harmony of bold spices, fresh herbs, and rich dairy products. One of the must-try dishes is Tavë Kosi, a comforting baked dish of lamb, eggs, and yogurt that perfectly encapsulates Albania's love for hearty and satisfying meals. Another staple is Byrek, a flaky pastry filled with cheese, meat, or spinach, commonly enjoyed as a quick snack or breakfast option. If you're a seafood lover, head to the coastal towns where freshly grilled fish, octopus, and shrimp drizzled with olive oil and lemon are simply divine. No food journey in Albania is complete without sampling frigis, a creamy dish made with peppers, tomatoes, and cottage cheese, often served with crusty bread. Meanwhile, lovers of grilled meats will find paradise in kebapa, small Balkan-style sausages often paired with onions, cheese, and traditional bread. Street food enthusiasts will enjoy souflake, Albania's version of a Greek gyro, wrapped in warm pita and filled with juicy meat and tangy sauces. To satisfy your sweet tooth, try trilis, a sponge cake soaked in 3 kinds of milk, or balokum, a buttery biscuit traditionally enjoyed during spring festivals. Albania's rich desserts highlight the country's Ottoman influence, making them a delightful way to end any meal. Pair these dishes with a glass of hearty, Albania's beloved grape brandy, or a cup of mountain-grown herbal tea. The country's warm hospitality means you'll never leave a meal hungry, and sharing food with locals is a cultural experience that will make your journey unforgettable. For travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path culinary adventure, Albania is a paradise of hidden flavors and authentic traditions. Whether dining at a rustic village home or a trendy urban eatery, every meal is an invitation to savor the soul of this enchanting Balkan nation. Have you ever tasted Albanian food? What dish would you love to try first? Share your thoughts below.